Today we'll be making a program that sends custom text notifications for things that happen in-game. On the right I have loaded up a game called Heyday, and basically what we want to happen is we want a text sent to our phone anytime the computer notices that one of our chickens are hungry. So I'm just going to scroll to the left, and these chickens on their back, they are currently hungry, so I should be receiving a text soon. On the left I have my phone mirrored, and this is the text message that gets sent to us. And as you can see, we're alerted that our chickens are hungry. Custom notifications can be used for anything that you're able to create an event trigger for. So far this means anything that we can detect on screen will be able to send a text notification. However, this program can be used for much more general purposes, such as notifying when a program is done running or display information that it has gathered. Before we start, this program uses Gmail, and for it to work properly, the account will need to have two-factor authentication and an app password created. I have linked a timestamp video to ClarityCoders YouTube channel demonstrating how to set this up in the description below. This program is composed of two main functions. The first is the bot vision function, which basically looks at the specific part of the screen and executes an action when it finds a template you provided. To use this function, you're going to have to modify two things. The first is going to be the screenshot coordinates, and this is going to be the area that you want the bot to look at. The second, you're going to provide the bot with a template file path, and this will be what you want the bot to identify on screen. The second function is the SMS notification. You'll need to change the username and also the password that was provided when you set up the app password. From here, all you have to do is modify the contents of the notification, giving it a title, a message, and a domain gateway. So this is located within the bot function. So it found the template, and then this is the message it's going to send out. So the title is going to be alert. The body message is going to be your chickens are hungry. And then over here is your carrier's domain gateway. So right here I've listed all the carriers, or the most common carriers, and their SMS and their MMS gateway domains. So as an example, I have Verizon, and I would just enter my number here, and then it's going to be at vtext.com, and that would finish setting it up. We can then initiate the program by placing it in a while loop so the conditions are constantly checked for, and a notification is sent when they are found. All the code that has been provided is in the GitHub below, and if you have any video ideas or suggestions, feel free to leave them. And again, thanks for watching.